Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to reset Bank of America password or recover online ID. First of all, open your Bank of America app and then tap forgot password. Enter your account information. After that, once you've entered, go ahead and check your email if you have a code that was sent by Bank of America there, or check your SMS, or it might also be in the WhatsApp. So check those three apps. If you have entered email, then it's probably on your Gmail, and if you have entered your number, then it's probably on your WhatsApp or SMS. After you've received the code and enter the code in the page, then create a new password. Make sure the password is new, it's not the old one, and then make sure the password is a hard and strong password so no one gets access to your data and account, and your money is safe in the app. Then log in out again. Safety tip: do not reuse old passwords. Quick fix: try recovery on a computer if the app does not load. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.